into a high ponytail. Okay. And after you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to twist the ends of the ponytail like this. Yeah, and then you get another hairband, and twist into one, and then you go put the hairband around it and tie it tight. Okay. And after you've done that, it's like clip all the bits which are like falling out or anything, or like sticking it up. And then basically like pull the hairs here. And this is not going to feel the best because it's going to be a bit, you know, feel a bit unnatural. So you put it here so it moves, you spread it along here. And then again, if you've got any bits which are sticking up, a bit weird, just clip them up. And yeah, so you have your messy bum. See you guys later. Like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Buttons.